Problem is I cannot recreate the problem on my side, Vijaya. It passes
Oh,
every time now.
okay,
So we'll have to see if we can fix it on your side.
okay,
Or if not, you can just deliver your PR without any changes to that file, so it doesn't get included in your PR.
okay.
You haven't changed that file at all, right? Except when I
Yeah,
asked
the
you to.
only that one line you told yesterday.
Okay, good. So if you left it the same as what's currently in the system, it won't be included in your PR, which would be
Okay.
fine. Yeah, but let's see if we can try to get it to work. It's one of those things that's worth spending some time on, but not a lot of time.
Yeah,
But,
yeah.
you know,
Patrick, can you share screen? You are there.
what's that?
The sharing screen. Can you allow me to do that screen sharing?
I don't, generally I don't have to, let me see.
Okay, you stop you, then I will try.
Oh, I'm not sharing my screen. You're not seeing my screen, are you?
Yes,
You're seeing my screen?
yeah. Okay,
Really?
I'll try one. Yeah, now my screen is coming.
Okay, good.
I added only this line.
Yep. Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Got it. Now, you're running in Firefox. Are you logged in? Do you have the system running in the background in development? The application running in the background?
Yeah. One time my application is running. I tested. After that, I stopped the application. Then I tested again. Both.
Okay, so your application is not running right now. Is that correct?
Yes, I stopped it right now. I
Okay, good.
have. Yeah, I have two windows. If you want, I can start. Otherwise,
No, that's okay. No, we should not start it. Just run it test mode
yeah,
only.
yeah. This one, it is not loading actually. The It is opening the Firefox browser.
Mm-hmm.
Some URL. After that, it is open only our login, the home page, landing page.
Mm-hmm.
Then we are testing in our system. It is open the login page and it is uh, login into the system. Here it is not showing that screen also.
Okay. Let's see.
Yeah,
Can
given
you
I'm logged.
show me how you're running it, how you're running the cucumber test? What command you're using?
Okay.
Oh, that's better. I can see it better now.
Okay. I'm using this one. Bundle.
Okay. How about you want to just go ahead and run it and let's see what happens?
Okay.
So you've got two job seeker failures, but you're working on those, right? So no
Yes.
problem there.
Yeah. I'm working.
Yeah, not a problem.
I fixed that one. Automatic email thing.
Oh yeah. Okay. Good.
Yeah. Then I have to confirmation. I think I'm trying today. I will do it. I'm watching the videos for the cucumber.
Oh, yeah. Watching the
Yeah.
videos by who? By what?
My last course one. Some
Oh, the
of them
last.
I,
Yeah.
yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Otherwise, I will go through the document, read, and where it is getting. It needs to fix time. I have to go through that one.
I see.
Yeah, I'll try my best to fix that before the weekend.
Okay.
Yeah, every time you tell we didn't learn anything. Yes. Yeah, we have to try it.
Yeah, you
That's
have to try it. Just learning
right.
it in class is not the same as actually knowing how to do it. So
Yeah.
it's not doing anything. It's a blank screen, huh?
Yes, that's why I told you.
Okay. Does it just stay up here? Does it?
Yeah, it is stay up there. It's not closing.
Well, why don't you close it?
Okay.
Um, Try running it using the command that I just posted in the chat. Or actually, yeah,
Okay.
try that.
Which one? Okay, I will.
It what it does is it pauses between steps for 1 second. You can set it to 2, 3, whatever you want. I just wonder if we might see more when we do it that way.
Okay. The command is in underscore browser equal to pause is one and bundle
Yep.
program.
You can just cut and paste from there.
Oh, it has to stop. Otherwise, I have to.
Oh, it's still running, the test?
Yeah, yeah. Your test is done. It is running my test.
Oh, I see. I wonder why it's taking so long.
Yeah, it takes time.
Maybe next time we can just focus on
Okay.
running my test so it's faster. Maybe that command instead. That'll just run my feature
Okay.
file. Yeah.
Okay.
Seems like your snares are slow. Must be. Didn't my snares go past pretty quickly until we got to that one that's failing on us?
Yeah.
I wonder what's going on there.
I don't know.
Yeah. Now you're running this in a VM
Yeah. Yes. Yes.
Ubuntu on a PC, right?
Yeah. VM.
Yeah. Do you have a Mac or access to a Mac?
No.
No, okay. Because
Yeah.
generally developing in Rails using a Mac is usually much easier because as you know, all those Rails guys, they all use Macs, right?
Yeah. Yeah. That's why I'm not interesting because take more time. Sometimes VM handling is also.
Well, that's what I think's going on. That's part of it, right? You got
Yeah.
VM
All
as a
my
heavy layer.
yes. All my computers are in Windows and the home and my laptop and everything.
Yep.
Yeah.
That's what you got to live with. It is
Otherwise, I have to spend whatever the amount. I don't know. I'm
right.
not ready at
Yep.
this.
No, I fully understand that.
Yeah. And Windows, we have all versions, Windows 7, 8, or 10. Windows 10, it has the speech command, Cortana. It is looks good, and I install in my home computer that one.
Good.
It has a lot of features also.
Yep. I'll bet.
Yeah.
I haven't used Windows for a while now though, because I'm all Apple at this point.
Okay.
I like the experience, but I know Windows got a lot better than it
Yeah.
used to be. Yeah.
Now it is allowing to use the in Linux virtual machines. In Azure, we can use in the Linux environment also. The Microsoft Cloud.
Yeah. Right. That's true.
Yeah, I have a account that one I'm using sometimes developing the website host there.
I see. So you have a Linux environment available in Azure, I guess?
Yeah, it is there, but I didn't create any VMs there.
Not yet.
Yeah.
Now it looks like you don't have Firefox running right now, right?
Yes.
You do not?
I think I stopped it. I will check it.
No, on the left-hand side, the icon doesn't have a little thing next to it, which indicates, I guess it's not running, which is good. We don't want it to run. We want it to
Okay.
pop up as part of the test. That's how I generally do it. I don't have Firefox running when I start the test.
Yeah.
Something's going on here. Why? This should be coming back a lot faster than this, shouldn't it?
Yeah.
Does it usually take this long?
No, done. It is done. Just now.
Okay. Do you want to, oh, I wouldn't start Firefox. I think we want to, well, you can start it. Why don't we try running with Firefox running? And you
Yeah.
go back to your command line and you can cut and paste that command that I put in there. I adjusted it to just run my feature file.
Mm-hmm. Okay, I will type that.
Or you can cut and paste from that window as well.
Yeah, Windows. I will type.
Oh, you need a space there. Okay. Just, can you expand that window, make the window wider, that Firefox window? Okay. It's running every single scenario in Firefox in a head mode, not a headless mode. I don't know why that is, but that's why it's going really slow right now.
Yeah.
but we'll let it run. Should be running. It's supposed to be run only that one scenario in Firefox visibly. The rest it should be headless.
Okay.
So I'm not sure why that is, but anyway, let's see what happens.
It's creating the branch.
Yep. So the next test will be the one that fails on us.
Yeah, creating and editing the branch. Then,
okay, so that
the failing scenarios too.
29 and 35, huh?
Yeah. This
Okay,
one
those are,
login agency admin.
and it says unable to find link, login.
Yeah. Then this is the agency admin in the main admin.
Same problem, unable to find link, login. Can you rerun your command, but at the end of the command, just do, let's see, if you recover the command, scroll up, I guess, to get it back. Or up arrow.
Okay, same command then.
Yeah, can you get the same command back, but don't execute, don't hit enter yet? So we
Okay.
can see what, yep. And then colon, and then 29.
29.
29, just so we run that one scenario there. Yeah. And then hit return. So that's the first one that's failing on us here.
Okay. In my code, I'm trying all those things.
You are, huh? Yeah.
Yeah, I have to do something, then I will find out.
Okay, now we'll go to Firefox. I'm assuming. Is the cucumber test still running, or did it fail?
Yeah, it's failing.
Can you run it again? But don't click on Firefox. The test will focus on Firefox once it goes there. So
Okay.
just stay in the command line until it does that.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm running again.
Okay. Okay. Unable to find link login.
Yeah.
And that is the label, right? Log space N, capital L, capital I on the
Okay.
actual system. Is that right?
Yes.
Just to confirm. Okay. So what we're hitting here is another race condition. The window's
Yeah.
popping up, but it hasn't painted the login
Mm-hmm.
button yet. And Capybara is looking for it and said, can't find it, and it's declaring defeat.
Yeah.
So it's the same kind of failure scenario we're seeing on the other
Yeah.
people that started this process. Can you show me your, in your code editor, show me features / support / env.rb? And then scroll down, actually just scroll down to the bottom all the way. I'm just going to compare what I see to what I'm looking at on my side here.
Okay.
Are you at the bottom yet? I can't see the bottom of that yet. Okay, they're good. That's good. All right, let me see. Browser.
Yeah, this is the part.
Capybara registered driver, poltergeist.
The last
Capybara
one.
JavaScript driver equals poltergeist. Now show me the file support / hooks.rb.
Okay.
Okay, that looks fine too. Okay. Can you show me your device steps under step definitions, device steps.rb? Okay, let's see now. I log in as with password. Do email password. That's all fine. That's all fine.
Okay.
So I don't know what else to do here, Vijaya. I think
Okay.
it's something in, because I can't reproduce this, and when I deliver PRs, the
Okay.
Travis continuous integration tool,
Yeah, yeah. I saw whenever we are submitting, it is running on the background and passing all that.
it runs the cucumber tests fine.
Yeah. Okay.
It didn't when the first line 63, when I had that uncommented and 64 through 66 weren't there. Travis would fail 1 time out of 3 because
Okay.
it was running into that race condition that we talked about, which is it looks for a confirmation dialog box.
Okay.
And if the dialog box is not there by the time it looks for it, it fails. So one time out of 3, it would fail on me. Now,
Okay.
since I've put in line 64 through 66, or 64 and 66, in fact, it worked fine. Because I force, when I say box equals page driver, a capybara actually waits until the box appears. Rather than
Okay.
look for it and try to click it and say it's not there, I fail.
Yeah,
It
yeah.
waits. And then
Okay.
I do box accept, which means it clicks the OK button in the dialog box. So that got around my problems with Travis. Part failing sometimes on this cucumber test. But this stuff is tricky, and it seems to be fraught with problems
Okay.
specific to environments or speed of the computer or God knows what all.
Yeah, yeah. If you compare our actual operating system to the virtual machine, is slow.
Yeah. You know, we can do
Okay.
one more time if we could just run that
Okay.
same cucumber serial number 29. But before we do that, if you just stop Firefox, stop it all together so it's not running at all right now. Okay, great.
Okay.
And if you could just run that from
The
line
same
29.
command.
Yep, same command.
Okay.
Just for the heck of it, see if it makes any difference.
Okay.
Yeah.
When I was testing in the last night, it took more time compared to now.
More time what?
It take more time to test all the scenarios last night.
So things are a little faster right now?
Yeah.
Maybe. Okay, same problem. Didn't find the
Yeah.
login button. Okay, well that's very very strange.
Yeah.
So I think at this point, Vijay, you probably just want to make sure that that test scenario, that my test scenario feature file is not changed, so it doesn't get included in your PR.
Okay. Okay. I'll do that one. Once I
And
fix my test. Yeah, okay.
you know how to do that, right? You can do git checkout -- and then the features / yeah, actually put it in here. So actually, let me put a spacer there and do it again. Nope. So git checkout -- and then the file itself. It will load the file
Okay.
into your working space and wipe out any changes you made. So that'll be identical to what's already been delivered.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Did that work? Once you do that, you should see that file, that line that you added last night. It should go away.
So I use this command.
Yeah, git checkout --
Okay, I'll do that one. I didn't say updated those things at in my GitHub. I have to
So,
save all my work to the GitHub, my branch.
well, you don't have to. In this case, you're just saying you're checking out one file,
Okay.
features / agencyadmin.feature. And you're
Okay.
basically saying, wipe out any changes I've got locally in my workspace
Okay.
and just load the file that's already in Git, that's already been
Okay.
committed to Git.
Okay.
Because you made a change last night to agency
Yeah.
admin.feature.
Yeah. Yes. Yes.
And if that change stays in place when you create your PR, that's going to be part of your PR.
Okay.
Actually,
Once
yeah,
I did that one, if I can remove also before I submit that.
right. Yep.
Yeah, PR. Yeah, your file I can remove it from the GitHub if it is comes there.
Well, I would just update what you have in your workspace, your working environment, with what's already in Git. And the Git
Okay.
checkout dash dash does that. So, I mean, you could remove the file, but it still might think it's somewhat changed. There may be a space left in there, and Git may say there's a change here, so I have to include this file in the PR.
Okay.
Even something invisible like a space at the end of a line or something could cause that to happen.
Mm-hmm.
Whereas checking out what's already in Git into your workspace wipes out all changes relative to what's in Git. So Git won't include that in the PR if that's the case.
Okay. Anyway, I'll create the PR on Monday.
Mm-hmm. Okay, good.
Yeah, I have to finish those test cases. Then otherwise I
Yep.
did everything. Yeah,
Yep.
I changed the labels and everything. I tested it's working.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, good.
Okay.
Okay. Well, I think right now, unless I can duplicate, I have a VM environment on my machine. Maybe I'll try to duplicate this problem. See if I
Okay.
can figure out what's going on there. But it's a tough, I just think it's probably not worth spending a lot of time because we know it works in the production environment. It works this Travis.
Yeah.
So it's one of those things. This stuff is tricky. These web driven tests where you got
Yeah.
multiple processes going on, and you got different WebKits executing
Yes.
JavaScript in different ways. I've had a
Yeah.
lot of problems with Poltergeist. That's why that one test that has the modal dialog box deleting a
Mm-hmm.
branch. I'm using
Mm-hmm.
Selenium because that works with modal dialog boxes.
Okay.
Poltergeist does not. I can attest to that after a long time trying to get it to work.
Yeah, I heard you were talking about this on one of our meetings.
Yeah, and there's a lot of people on the internet who talk about that, you know. But you know what it's like once you start going down Googling, you get in a bunch of Stack Overflow discussions, and you can spend a lot of time trying to figure
Yeah.
out what's going on and finding the answer. It's
Yeah.
like,
Yeah.
yeah.
Sometimes
So
I'm checking the Stack Overflows.
thank God for Stack Overflow, but sometimes it drags you into very detailed technical discussions that just consume a lot of time, you know, and don't
Yeah.
necessarily help you solve your problem.
Yeah. I don't have that much time. Most of the time I'm doing based on I'm following that Rails guide you told.
Yeah. Oh, the Rails guides are great. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. But
And
there's a lot to this. It's a very rich environment, which means it's powerful, but it's complex and there's a lot of pieces to it. So it takes a while.
yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, most of the time the HAML we have to use either tab key or spaces. How many two spaces are
Yeah. Although
there?
I love Haml. I hate ERB. It's so
Okay.
cluttered. Haml is just so nice and clean. So that's
Yeah, I am expert now in the HAML. I know how to do the work.
yeah, I love that tool.
Yeah,
So much cleaner code to look at than a bunch of ERB stuff.
yeah, yeah.
That's ugly.
At practicing, we learn more.
At what?
Most what based on our practice, we learn more whatever the technology.
Yeah. Yep.
Yeah, reading will not give that expert. We type and we see what is going on that one. Then
The only way to really learn it is to do it, right? And struggle with it.
yeah, yes, yes,
Yep. You think you got it figured out, and then you try to do it, and you realize, I really don't know how to do this yet.
yes,
It's a process.
yes.
All right, Vijay, I'll let you go. We'll continue pushing forward then,
Okay.
and I guess we'll connect up in an hour or so.
Yeah, yeah. I have to go to school and come back.
Okay. All right.
Okay.
Very good.
Okay.
Talk to
Thanks.
you then. Okay. Take care. Bye now.
Bye.